Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can actually order cigarettes on Doordash. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step, but just keep in mind, guys, this is only available in select areas and actually requires ID verification. So first things first, what we're going to do is you want to open up the Doordash app. Just start by opening the Doordash app on your phone, and if you don't have it, guys, download it from the App Store and sign in or just create an account. And then, guys, what you're going to do is you want to use the search bar at the top of the app to look for a convenience store or a gas station near you that actually sells cigarettes. So you want to browse the store's available items and you want to locate the cigarettes section. So if you have an exact brand or type that is not listed, you may be able to add a note for the dasher to actually specify your preference. And guys, once you find your choice, you can just tap on it to add it to your cart. And then, guys, what you're gonna do basically is just review your order and then head to the checkout screen. So here you'll see any applicable fees and the total cost, and make sure your delivery address and a payment method are actually accurate. And, and then, guys, of course, Dash requires age verification for tobacco products. So when the dasher arrives, you actually need to present a valid government issued ID to confirm that you're at least 21 years old. And once the dasher verifies, and you guys make sure you enjoy responsibly and don't forget to tip your dasher. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.